Hey, what's going on everybody? The Flipster here. Welcome back to my channel where I buy stuff from garage sales, thrift stores, and flea markets to be able to sell back on eBay for a profit. This is an excellent side hustle to be able to help you grow your money, to be able to do things and buy things that you normally can't afford, like vacations, that new phone, or maybe even a brand new car. It's the perfect thing that anyone can do that has plenty of time but very little money. Today, I'll be visiting a church flea market to see if I could flip my way to $1,000. Let's go. Now, these church organized flea markets are my favorite ones to go to because it's a bunch of vendors all in one place. I arrived here at about 7:45 in the morning and it paid off.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
How much is your helmet here?
That one is 50.
50.
You can lower it to 40. It's to just, you are not meant to use it. It's just for decoration.
Oh, it's only for display?
Yeah, it's
okay.
for display.
Gotcha.
So this is a brand I regularly sell when it comes to football helmets. However, what I didn't know at the moment is that Tom Brady actually played for the college football team, the Wolverines, which is what makes this football helmet super valuable. I'll show you what it's worth in just a bit.
And how about your gloves?
Ryan, how much are the gloves? Whatever. 5.
Now, as soon as I was arriving here, she pulled out 4 pairs of Harley Davidson gloves. These things always sell very, very quickly and for decent money as well. So for $5, I'm definitely interested in all 4 pairs.
Do you have a little bag?
Yeah.
I'll take all these. That's 1, 2, 3. Wait, is it 3?
Now, even though I forgot how to count, I still did manage to sell all 4 pairs and check out what they sold for.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 20.
Remember, I paid just $5 for each one of those, so decent returns to get the day started.
But
Gotcha.
it's made for a motorcycle to strap
Gotcha.
on for like a weekend trip.
Okay, cool. I'll check
I
that
got
out.
some Harley Davidson shirts.
Oh, you
Harley
got some?
Davidson.
So now the gentleman was telling me that he did have more Harley Davidson
I'll
stuff.
check
He
those
also
out.
mentioned he had shirts, so I was definitely interested. I love to sell Harley shirts. However, he ended up not having any shirts, but he did have this super cool Harley Davidson hat.
Harley Davidson jeans.
Okay. And how much are you asking for those?
$5.
And for the hat?
$5.
Cool. Let me check out the bag as well.
So the bag ended up being a no-name brand bag, so I left that behind along with the jeans. Now, it was already a great start at this stop, so I made sure to continue looking into his booth, and that's when I spotted a couple pairs of boots.
Keep the boots back here.
Now, the brown pair is going to be the brand Dan Post. This is a decent brand. It's not super high dollar, but if you can find it for a decent price, it's definitely worth it because it always sells for me. Now, he also had a pair of Harley Davidson boots. However, they were damaged on the bottom, so I was mostly interested in the Dan Post ones.
What are you asking on the boots? What were you asking on those?
$10.
10 bucks.
For 15 if you want both.
15 for both.
So I decided to take the risk that the Harley Davidson boots might be worth something, but that risk did not pay off because they were worth nothing. However, I was still able to make my money back with just the Dan Post boots alone.
Yeah.
And the Harley hat also sold for $54 plus shipping as well. Now, after paying him for that stuff, he handed me this Diesel belt. Diesel is a decent brand to look out for. I always like to sell this brand, whether it be shoes, jeans, and in this case,
What did
a
you
belt.
guys want for this?
Ryan,
For the belt? All right. And what had you told me on this helmet? You said 40?
yeah, if you
Okay.
want to take it now.
Okay. I think I'll take it for 40.
Now, finally, I know you guys didn't want me to leave behind that
Alright,
helmet, so I
sure.
definitely picked that up
I appreciate
for $40, and he ended up throwing in the belt with that deal. So that helmet sold in just a couple of days for $200 plus shipping.
Yeah, I bought the games and the blanket.
I I probably could have sold it for more, I'm not gonna lie, because it did sell for full asking price, but you know what, it's still an excellent return on investment and it sold super fast. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel because I will be posting a lot more content similar to this, so that way you can learn the art of the resell. I appreciate your support. Let's get back to the video.
And how much are your shirts?
So now I'm on to the next booth. Normally I would just leave these polo shirts behind, but since I found 4 in the same size, that's what made me want to pick them up.
Can you do 4 for 10?
Okay.
4 for 10? Do you have a little bag?
Yeah, I do.
Perfect, thank you.
So I decided to ask them if they would take $10 for 4 shirts, and they said yes.
Thank you. Do you have a change? Actually, let me see, cause maybe I'll get a couple more. Let me see this.
Now I paid them with a 20, and then as I was paying, I realized that they had several other shirts that I might be interested in. So I told them to hold on to the $10 change to see if I could find 4 other shirts so we could make the same deal.
No, the last one.
How much are your shoes?
It's them. I'm sorry. Shoes? Yeah.
The brand for this one was Lacoste. So all of these shirts that I picked up from him were in excellent condition. One of them even had the tag still on them. So that's the other reason why I picked up every single one of these shirts, because they were in like new condition. So if you can ever find like name brand shirts that are in like new condition and they're all the same size for a cheap price at a garage sale, it's a good idea to pick that up because you can lot them all together and sell them for a higher price.
Okay, creo que estos 4 más son 10.
So I paid $20 in total for 8 shirts, and check out what these things sold for.
Tres, cuatro. Okay. Sí. No. Yeah, gracias.
Let's go on to the next booth. So I missed the first part here, but I asked her the price of just the bag because I knew Alienware is a decent brand to look out for. I didn't even realize there was a laptop inside until she told me she wanted just $10 for the laptop and the bag.
Like the bag with the computer?
The bag with the computer.
Gotcha.
Once taking a closer look and seeing that it actually was an Alienware laptop in there as well, I didn't even look up the laptop on the spot. I just knew that this was a good brand, and so I paid her the $10. This was one of those type of deals that you just got to jump on immediately because it's a great deal. And then check out what these things sold for already.
Yeah.
He's got an Apple now, so.
Appreciate it.
Now I spotted this new with tags Levi jeans from the aisle, so I'm pulling up to see how much they want for those. New with tag Levi's are some of my bread and butter items that I sell in my store. They always sell very fast and for anywhere between $30 and $50.
30s.
Okay.
But they're brand new.
Yeah.
They're warm.
How much are these?
I think she said 5. 7.
7?
7. I don't even think I tried them on.
Yeah, these still got the tags.
They got the press.
Yeah, I'll take these.
Alrighty.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For $7, it's a no-brainer because they already sold for $34 plus shipping. So this booth had a whole bunch of shoes, and right away I found these Kohans. Kohan is a great brand to look out for when it comes to shoes, but always make sure that you're looking up the size and making sure that the shoes are in very, very good condition. Now as I'm digging through the boxes, I found another pair of Kohans, but these were a bit more beat up, so I decided to leave those behind. But that's when I spotted a third pair, these red ones that were in very nice condition as well. The only problem is I only found one of the shoes, so I have to go digging through to see if I can find the second one. That's part of the hustle that you have to go through at garage sales, is digging through stuff to be able to find the profits. But for me, it's worth it and I enjoy it, so hey, Now when it comes to Kohan, you should be able to identify the exact models from the inside. It should say the name. In this case, these were Lunar Grand. They were both the same model, both size 11. So I was able to sell them both for the same exact price. And there we go, I did find the other shoe. So now I had 2 complete pairs.
What were you asking on your shoes? What were you asking on your shoes?
$2 a pair.
$2 a pair. All right, can't argue with that. Yeah, trying to get rid of stuff. Here you go. Nah, it should be okay. I'll just.
For $2 a pair, you cannot beat that. And I know some of you guys are wondering why I didn't get into those video games. They were asking $3 for each video game. I did quickly look over them, but there wasn't too many that were worth it. But that wraps up this video. I didn't quite make it to my $1,000 mark, but I got very, very close. And this is just one church flea market that I visited that morning. I was only there about an hour and a half, and from there I carried on to other garage sales that I continued to make more profits. So if you can find a local flea market, garage sale, or even better, a church flea market, I would highly recommend you get out there early on a Saturday morning. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below anything that you think I might have missed while searching at this church flea market. Again, I'm the Flipster, and thanks so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the very next one. Take care.